Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great and welcome back to yet another JavaScript coding challenge session. So today we are going to create a simple UI wherein when I click on this button, I have to add one circle, okay? And when I click on this button again, I have to create one more circle, okay? Okay, likewise it would again repeat it, okay? So again when I click on one of these circles, I have to change the background color as well as this count should be increased, okay? And when I again click on this has to be toggled off, okay? You can see. So likewise everything should work, okay? Okay, so this is developed by using JavaScript only. Okay, if you are aware of this one, you can just give it a try, or else you just continue to watch this video, okay? Okay, to start with, I have some basic setup, okay? Likewise I have this predefined HTML, and we've written these css stylings, okay? So stylings are pretty basic, so I don't need to explain these things, okay? So now let me create a button, okay? So in this body tag, let me create a button. So let me give class as add button and name as add circle, okay? So after that, let me write this paragraph, okay? Para. So I will use a span tag here to show the count, okay? So let me initialize with the 0 first and class as count. So similarly, now let me create a container for the circles, okay? Okay. So I have some stylings for this as well, okay? So if you see, I have this circles class, sorry, circles container class. Okay. Now let me access these elements in the JavaScript, okay? So for that, first let me access the button equal to, so I'm just using DOM manipulations here, document dot query selector of add button, okay? And when I click on this button, I have to add circle, right? I have to create a circle. So to do that, let me take an event listener on that, okay? So for that, let me take a button element again, and now let me add a add event listener, and key type event type should be click, okay? Now I will write one callback function here, okay? Function. So in this function, whenever I click on this add circle, I have to create a circle, right? So to create a circle, let me dynamically create a circle, okay? Like const new circle equal to document dot. So in DOM we have a property called method called create element, okay? So create element of, so I wish to create a div element here, okay? So div. So after I created this div element, I have to show that circle, right? So to show that circle, we have this class, okay? This is circle, okay? So let me add this circles class to this, okay? So new circle dot class list dot add of. So in the single quotes, I have to give this circle, okay? This circle, okay? Okay. Now we have created an element, and also we have added the respective stylings, okay? But to show that circle on the screen, we have to append this newly created circle to the existing circles container, okay? To do that, I will do, okay, I will access this circles container class, okay? So let me copy this and let me get it here from class circle container equal to document dot query selector of dot circles container. Okay, so here I will add that. Okay, circles container dot append, sorry, append child of new circle. Okay, so until this, like we are good to create a circle now. Okay, so let me refresh this page. Okay, and now let me click this circle. Okay, you see we are getting this. Okay, to get these circles one by one, that is like in the column direction, we have this styling. Okay, like display flex and flex direction I am setting to the column. Okay, so if it is row, like these will be side by side. Okay, so once we created these circles, the basic thing is like the main objective is to, like when I click on one of these circles, I have to change my background color, right? So currently it is not happening now. Okay, so to achieve that one, let's again take an add event listener. Okay, so I will take add event listener on the new circle, that is like each circle. Okay, new circle dot add event listener of, again click function, sorry, click event and respective callback function. Okay, okay, now once we added this function, the basic thing is to, like whenever I click on this circle, I have to get an background color change, right? To achieve that, we have to again change the stylings. Okay, so likewise, like I did in the line number 6. Okay, so let me add this again. Okay, new circle dot class list dot add of, so this time I have to add different style, different class. Okay, so this one circles clicked, so that we will get background color as the green. Okay, so let me add that and let me save now and just refresh. You see I am getting these color circles. Okay, and so when I again click on this circle, the circle which we clicked. Okay, so the color has to be changed again. Okay, to achieve that, either we can add a proper, we can add the class list with the remove method. Okay, or else we can just simply add toggle here. Okay, that means if the clicked circle is in white color background, so whenever I clicked on that circle, it will be changed to the green colored background. Okay, and when I clicked on the green colored background circle, it will be toggled to the white colored screen. Okay, so let me just demonstrate that one as well. Okay, so you see I have clicked two circles, and now let me again click that one. You see this one. Okay, so it is turned to the white again. Likewise this one as well. Okay, so with this toggle functionality we are achieving that. Okay, okay, and now what we need to consider is we need to increase the count based on the green colored circles available. Okay, to increase this count, we have to get this element, right? So that element has the class name called count. Okay, so const count equal to document dot query selector dot count. Okay, so once I got this, before increasing the count, the basic thing which we need to get is, like we need to know what is the current background color of the clicked circle. Okay, like is that green colored or white colored background. So how we can get that is we can use window properties. Okay, so let me add that one, const current bg equal to window dot. So we have this computed styles. Okay, get computed styles of. So we need styles for the this circle, right? New circle. So let me add that. So once we have this, once we get the styles for this new circle, we have to access background property only, not every styling like height, width. We don't require all those things. We just require background color, right? So how we can get background color is const bg color equal to. So I am accessing this current bg variable. Sorry, current bg dot background color. Okay. Okay, now let me show how this bg color will be shown in the console. Okay, console.log of. So let me copy this. If of bg color triple equal to this one. Okay, okay. So we can access the current text on the screen using the text content property. Okay, so text content is equal to. I will just again add the same thing. Like I'm just adding a plus one to the existing content. Okay. Also we have to convert this into the number. Okay, like we get string format. Okay, so in the else case, that means if it is a white color, I mean whenever I clicked on this again, I have to reduce the count, right? So I will just give -1 here. Okay, so with this we are done with the uh, requirements. Okay, now let me show, let me remove this console, we don't require. Let me close this as well. Okay, so I'm adding couple of circles. If I click here, you can see count is increased. If I click again, count is increased. Okay, if I unclick, if I click on this green colored one again, count will be reduced. Okay, but if I click again, so same thing will happen. Okay, so I hope this solution makes sense to you, and thank you for watching.